Imagine a crowded office where the motion stops instantly. Every worker freezes in place, except for one person, who continues walking at an increasing pace. These individuals share identical resumes and backgrounds. They have reached the same level of expertise, yet their career paths are pulling apart with increasing speed. This economy creates a separation that accelerates daily. It is building a divide that has nothing to do with family inheritance or traditional starting capital. Success in this environment relies on a specific psychological trait, the willingness to abandon a mastered workflow the moment a more efficient one appears. Historically, financial security required a simple trade: spend years mastering a specialized craft and receive a reward for that deep expertise. The industrial age prioritized physical discipline and the consistent output of mechanical labor. During the information age, the premium shifted toward those who possessed specialized knowledge and could provide the right answers. Today, AI has commoditized those answers. Writing, data analysis, and coding are now abundant and effectively free for anyone to use. Because possessing information no longer provides a competitive edge, the value lies entirely in the ability to direct that information. The AI revolution separates workers based on their psychological response to change, rather than their technical background. The expert archetype views technological shifts as a threat. They remain stationary, attempting to protect the knowledge they have already accumulated. The adapter archetype views the same shifts as an experiment, immediately searching for ways to leverage new tools to increase their output. This learning speed creates a compounding advantage over time, mirroring the mechanics of financial interest. The high velocity of AI development turns small, daily learning advantages into permanent career disparities as they compound. The current economy no longer rewards certainty. It compensates learning speed. This creates a paradox. While accumulated experience was once a career shield, it is now becoming a vulnerability. A rigid professional might spend years mastering a single system, while an adaptable worker learns 5 new systems in a single year to stay ahead of the curve. This is the adaptability premium, a specific financial reward for those willing to set aside their ego and consistently work as beginners. Thriving in this new era requires the aggressive habit of abandoning outdated workflows to make room for faster ones. Future wealth is not generated by protecting what you know, but by identifying what you need to learn next. Universal job displacement is rarely the immediate threat for most high-skilled roles. Instead, the technology functions as an aggressive multiplier, widening the distance between the workers who resist it and those who leverage it. Those who resist change lose opportunities to those who gain infinite leverage through adaptation. This shift occurs gradually across industries, before reaching a tipping point that makes the previous standard obsolete. Attempting to maintain the status quo is now a path to obsolescence. This specific wealth gap is accessible to anyone. It ignores traditional gatekeepers. Success in this environment ignores birthright, academic pedigree, or the amount of capital you start with. Adaptability is not an innate talent, but a muscle that can be trained. Currently, very few are choosing to exercise it. Audit your own career. If AI disappeared tomorrow, would your trajectory continue, or has the technology become your only source of growth? The decision is yours.
Comment below if you are training to be an expert of the past or an adapter of the future.